Baby Anveera is already 1 month old, and there you can see baby Anveera. We will be traveling.
Allahu Akbar.
I'm the mother and I will definitely never harm my baby or think anything bad for my baby. I'm not a very good wife, guys. I'm a very good girlfriend and I'm a very good mom.
Zero.
Zero to husband also.
I am challenging you. I'm challenging you. People will teach you a lesson if you debate.
No.
Now I am ready to open challenge.
No. I'm a girlfriend material. I wanted to be your girlfriend all your life. Jaiz रिश्ता बनाने के लिए हमने शादी की है. The delivery series and everything is gonna come up very soon. It's a process, guys.
Yeah.
She's the first subscriber to see baby Anveera and ask me if I'm Samira. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and wanakam. Welcome back to my channel, Samira Sharif. Alright guys, I know it's been quite some time. I mean, I've not been uploading videos since many days. I know I am extremely sorry for that. And of course the delivery series are still on. I have stopped, I've paused the videos in between. You will get to see the videos very soon, and also there are videos which were shot before my delivery, and also very cute and very emotional and very informative videos that I have. So those are also coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, now let's get into the video. And as you have already seen the thumbnail and the title, today we are going to apply passport for baby Anveera. Baby Anveera is already 1 month old, and also you'll get to see the 1 month celebrations or the special milestone of baby Anveera's day very soon on my channel. And today as we are going, I just woke up, I brushed my teeth, I'm yet to have my shower, and also I just finished making the bed. That is where baby Anveera sleeps. So I made the bed, and Anwar Jan and baby Anveera are gone down. I need to get freshened up. So yeah, I'll quickly go have my shower and get freshened up. We'll go down, have breakfast, and then we'll start to the passport office, and I'll tell you guys what and how and what are the things that we would be needing and all of that. Why am I vlogging this day? Obviously because it's again a milestone in baby Anveera's life, so I wanted to make it memorable and also take you guys through the day and show you guys what and how we're doing. Whew. I just brushed my teeth, gave baby Anveera a shower, and finished all my morning activities, so that's why I'm super tired and lazy. So I'll go get freshen up, get active, and get going for the day. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. This is the dress that I'm going to wear, and Anwar Jan had pressed this dress for me. Now let's quickly go get freshen up and change. Alright guys, so I finally got done with my shower, and also I did not wash my hair because I washed it yesterday. And now let's quickly wipe our face. So I washed my face just now after getting dressed up. You guys know that I've been changing my skincare of late, like, you know, very often, because there are a lot of changes that have been happening in my body. There was like pregnancy first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, and now it is postpartum, like post delivery. Again, I have certain hormonal changes and all of that. Okay, so first thing, I had amazing skin during my first and second trimester. Again, third trimester was so tough, so difficult. There was a lot of pigmentation. I also had some acne and all of that. Let me open the door so you can see my skin very clearly. So in my third trimester, I didn't want to reveal that part anyway. So in my third trimester, I started developing a lot of pigmentation and all of that, and alhamdulillah, by God's grace, I've been using a lot of products actually from Dermaco, which helped me in healing all of those. Again, post delivery, when you have a lot of sebum production, you tend to have active acne. So that's what I was having. If you can see, I have an acne here, and I had a couple of acne, and for which I was again working on it, and you can see, it's a lot better now, because it's been already a month, and not just a month and few days already. So I've been using this product. It is 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel, and again, this is by Dermaco. It is so good, you guys. You just need to take little and apply it evenly wherever you have acne. So for example, I have acne here and there's one here. So that's what I would be doing. It works really good when you do it in the night, and in case if you're applying it in the morning, you need to apply this and follow it up with a sunscreen. So that's what I would be doing now, because obviously it is morning and we are going out. So yeah, let me quickly apply this and apply my sunscreen. So now all you got to do is just take little, like you will need very tiny amount, and apply it on your active acne wherever you have active acne. As I said, I have one here and there's one here. So let me just dot it there.
Now this gel has 2% salicylic acid along with 3% sulfur that clears congestion from active acne. Let me just break this down. Salicylic acid is the most effective ingredient for solving the acne issues. Salicylic acid is a BHA that primarily targets enlarged pores and acne. It removes dead skin cells and excess sebum, whereas sulfur helps dry out the surface of the skin to help absorption of excess oil that may contribute to acne breakouts.
Now once that's done, I let it sit for some time and apply a sunscreen. And I like to use a matte sunscreen. I know it is like the monsoons, but it is super sultry, and I don't like regular sunscreen because it makes my skin super oily, and the matte sunscreen keeps my skin really good. So that's what I love to apply. Now why I like Derma Co so much is because it honestly discloses its active percentage. For example, this particular product has 2% salicylic acid and also 3% sulfur. I mean, honestly discloses all its active ingredients on the packaging itself. So that is amazing. And also guys, Derma Co has launched India's first masterclass on skincare active to share knowledge behind active ingredients and the science behind them. Isn't that amazing? And of course, you guys know that Derma Co products are designed using scientific ingredients, hence they are safe and effective. Now you can start your journey to a healthy skin that needs no filter by visiting their website, which is www.dermaco.com. and if you guys are interested in buying any of the products, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is Sameera20, to avail 20% discount on their website. And you know what? The 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel has come up with their 7-day money back challenge. That means you guys need to use this product religiously for 7 days and you will see the results. And if you don't see the result, you get all your money back. And I'm sure you will not need your money because you will definitely see all the results, because I have seen my results. Please ignore the sweat. That is because the fan and AC both are off, because I want the audio to be clear. And of course guys, you can find these products even on Amazon, Nykaa as well as Flipkart, so go check out right now. And don't forget to try the 7-day money back challenge. Also guys, one quick thing that I want to tell before I leave my room. Just because I'm using this product, that doesn't mean that this is limited only to new moms or pregnant women. No, not at all. Everybody is suffering through acne, the active acne or the maskne, because we are wearing mask very often and we end up having maskne. And also the clogged pores tend to have acne and stuff. So it is very normal, and everybody who have or who are suffering through maskne or acne, you can use this product and it works amazing. So yeah, check out the product. I'm gonna link it in the description box, and do try out the 7-day money back challenge. So yeah, now that we're all done, let me quickly take the documents and go down. Baby Anvira is already down as I told, and Anwar Jan is waiting down. I need to go have my breakfast and start, so I'll catch you guys in the car. Oh, by the way, I have to do my brows and lips, and my stuff are in the bag that is down. Anwar Jan has already taken my bag, so I'll go down. I'll do my hair. I just need to leave it open because it's just that second day of my hair wash, and my curls are gonna be just like how they were yesterday. So I'm gonna leave my hair open and do my brows and wear my lipstick. All that I'll go down and do. So I'll catch you guys in the car. Okay guys, so finally we have started, and there you can see baby Anvira. Anwar Jan is right.
Big Anvira.
Okay, by the way guys, his name is not Anvira. For everybody who thinks Anvira Anna.
Telugulo na peru Sayyid Anwar. Tamilla ennoda peru Sayyid Anwar. Anvira andrathu rendu பேர் சேர்ந்து Sameera Anwar combination Anvira. Anvira అనేది Sameera Anwar ఇద్దరు పేరు కలిపితే Anvira అని వచ్చింది కాబట్టి కపుల్ నేమ్ Anvira. నా పేరు సయ్యద్ అన్వర్ అండి. చాలా ఇష్టంతో పెట్టాడు మా గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్. ప్లీజ్
ఆ కపుల్ కి పుట్టిన, I mean the baby that's born to the couple is known as Baby Anveera, so that's why we call him Baby Anveera. It's not that we knew the gender and I knew it was a baby girl and all that. Anyway, leaving all that aside, as I told you guys, we have started to get the passport done for Baby Anveera, and here I have all the documents. But why do we have our marriage certificate, Anvarjan?
Yeah, to prove that he's our son.
Technically, can I tell?
Yeah.
We haven't added our marriage in our passport. We are still singles according to our passport. So now that we have baby, we thought we should update our passport and add that we are married, and also add that we have a child already. So that's why we have our marriage certificate. We are going to update our passport and also apply a new passport for Baby Anveera, because you guys know that our channel is about
Love,
travel,
food.
Yes, so we are obviously going to explore more travel, more inshallah, if time permits and if situations permit. And also from here on, Baby Anveera also would be a part, inshallah, if we get to travel, if he also permits us to travel. That's why we thought it's always good to apply a passport. Even if we don't get to travel, if we get to travel, it's always good to apply the passport. So for which, what are the documents that we need, Anvarjan, to apply a passport for a newborn?
For a newborn baby, usually what happens is, in the passport office, they click your picture. Okay, but in the newborn baby's case, you will have to take your own passport size photo. Baby's this much portion as a passport size photo, where baby's eyes should be open, so that you know it is very clearly visible, the baby's face, and they can identify. That is one very important thing. Second thing, as usual, birth certificate provided by the hospital, and the third one is your marriage certificate.
Okay.
These three major documents required to apply for baby's passport.
So should we go to a photo studio and get the passport size photo clicked?
You can actually click a photo in your mobile phone. These days everybody have a very good quality mobile phone. You can click your photo in the mobile and take that to the studio and get a printout. They will do the necessary edits and give
The
you
background
a
and all.
Yes.
Okay. So the major thing is all, you don't have to take your baby out to the photo studio. You can do it. That's what we did. I know the process because I only gave the photo, but I wanted it to be clear to you guys. So that's why I was asking him, so that he will tell you guys that you can just have a picture that you have in your phone, and whatever background to be changed will be changed by the photo studio.
And I would like to tell you something, you know, whatever information provided by us, there will be people who will be already see, I would like to tell you one thing. Whatever information we provide you, there can be people who already know about it, but there also can be people who don't know about it. So that is the reason we are so interested to share this information with you guys. So if you already know about this, don't get offended, and if you have a different experience, do share in the comment section.
Yeah. And also because it's definitely a milestone in Baby Anveera's life. I mean, first time applying a passport. I wish I could vlog my first time passport application, because it's such a different and a memorable thing.
No, my journey passport application was horrible, because those days, now I think Tata has taken over the government's thing and they are working towards it. So now it is 1,000 times better compared to the previous government thing. So those days we had a horrible time getting a passport. It took me 3 years to get my passport. Every time I go, they used to reject it, saying that, you know, name correction, or you know, you don't have that certificate, you don't have this certificate, you want that, so your signature is not matching, all this kind of thing. Horrible experience. And middlemen, agents in the passport office, they used to show you nightmares. So much expensive it was. Okay, thank God that, you know, now
Things have changed.
Yeah,
now.
things have changed, and it is even more faster compared to before.
Yeah, and I applied my passport in the post office. Where did you apply? In the passport office?
Passport office.
Okay, so things were different then, of course, and as I said, I wish I could vlog, but nevertheless, if I couldn't vlog for me, I'm vlogging for Baby Anveera, and he will have a memory to watch. So yeah.
But in my case, what happened was, myself and my sister together applied the passport. Somebody came home, they took the documents, a middleman as usual again, and They couldn't deliver the passport. We waited for 3, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. We didn't receive the passport. So what we did is we reinitiated the process and applied the new passport. We went to the passport office. Everything was, the process, every procedure was checked. Final procedure, when we reached the final stage, that's when they were telling you already have a passport on this name. We were shocked. We never got our passport. So what happened is that's how the system used to work. There is no communication between each other. That is the reason. Instead, our passport was issued, but it was not delivered to us. We got to know about this only after 6 months when we ourselves went to the passport office. So it was so bad.
Yeah, so the passport office that we are going today is at Toli Chowki. Toli Chowki's passport office, and we are almost there. So this is the Toli Chowki area, and the passport is near Brand Factory, if I'm not wrong. So we will go there.
I'm sure we will not be allowed to vlog inside.
I was just about to say that I'm sure that we won't be able to record inside, but still, you guys know me. I will still try my best to get some footage inside. Definitely I cannot take my camera, but I'll try to record something in my phone. So yeah, let's hope, fingers crossed, because I want it to be a memorable thing and also show you guys how exactly it works. So yeah, let's go to the passport office and say hello to baby Anvira. By the way, that's just the baby carrier, the carry bed. He's in the car seat, and also we have his diaper bag there. Let's go! How was your experience, Anvarjan?
To apply passport itself, it was like very difficult. And madam is dreaming of taking the baby and traveling to other countries and vlogging. Wow.
Of course, definitely, why not? I will have my own preparations for that. Today I was not prepared.
Prepared?
Yeah.
What
he is just 1 month
wear
old.
your seatbelt first.
He is just 1 month old now.
Yeah.
So by the time we do things, and obviously we will travel maybe in the month of November, or you don't know, you'll never know. We might travel in October. In October we have too many plans, so October is impossible. So obviously we'll travel in November. By November he'll be 2 months old. So I will also get used to the motherhood. He will also get used to this world. And yeah, so we will settle down with the things and we will plan accordingly. So as you guys saw, we went inside, and as Anvarjan said, we were not allowed to record anything, not even click pictures. But you know me, I am one, what I should say,
Shameless.
I click picture. Obviously I want to make memories. So here's the picture. So we click picture. Obviously you cannot see baby Anvira in this because baby Anvira will be revealed out very, very soon. So yeah, now that we have applied, when are we getting the passport?
I don't know.
I think we'll receive it within a week, no?
Yeah, there will be a process of verification after that, and we will receive it.
So maybe in a week's time, hopefully. Because things have become fast now compared to earlier.
Yeah.
So probably we might receive it in a week's time. So yeah, application is done. Any particular things that you have to say them about the application that they have to follow, or
thoroughly check whatever data they enter by yourself. Date of birth, your name, your first name, your last name, your spelling, your address, your mail ID, your phone number. Take the paper, request them for a minute, go through the paper again, because it's an expensive affair, as well as it's a tidy process. So it's always better to take some time and recheck again and proceed further with the application.
yeah, so basically what happened with us was they put baby Anvira's date of birth wrong. So glad that he checked and he got it corrected. And in my thing, my email ID was wrong, so I got it corrected. So yeah, those are the things that we had to do. And yeah, now that we are done, we are going back home, and you will get to see the passport very soon. Probably by then you will also get to see baby Anvira and get to know his name and all of that. I hope this was informative to you guys. Anything, any queries, please let us know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than glad to answer and let you guys know. And yeah, super excited that we are having our passports very soon. And inshallah, if things settle down and if we get used to the things around, we will be traveling.
Allahu Akbar. Guys, please subscribe.
Oh, by the way, guys, please do subscribe. He keeps telling me he keeps telling me every now and then to let you guys or remind you guys to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel because
yeah, it is our responsibility to tell them. They'll be busy, they'll watch the video and go off.
True.
They're too busy in life, so we have to remind them.
Yes, do subscribe, guys. And also, as I said, please do comment down and let us know if you have any queries, any doubts or anything. And also let us know where are the places that we can travel or anything that you want to suggest a new mom in a modern age.
Everybody in the comment section will say it is not safe to travel.
But you guys, as I always keep telling, I'm the mother and I will definitely never harm my baby or think anything bad for my baby. No one in the world knows as good as a mother to do for the baby. So this is the one thing that I always keep telling, even when I was pregnant, even after delivering the baby. So mother is someone who's always there to take care of the baby. So please don't worry, I'm not going to harm my baby or do anything which is harmful to my baby. I will definitely take all the precautions and all the measurements. I'm not encouraging any mother, any new mother to be traveling. But I know what is good for me, what is good for my baby and what is good for my husband maybe. I'm not a very good wife, guys. I'm a very good girlfriend and I'm a very good mom. I'm not a wife material. What do you say?
Zero.
Zero to husband also. He's a great, amazing boyfriend and fabulous father. But zero.
What way zero? Let's debate. I am challenging you. People will teach you a lesson if you debate.
No.
Now I am ready to open challenge.
No. No challenge. This is not a challenge video. It's an informative vlog.
I am confident about myself. I am ready for an open challenge. If you are a good wife,
I am telling myself I am not a good wife.
I will wash your legs and drink water. If you prove by even 1% that I am not a good husband, if you prove by 1% also, okay? I am again telling you, I will wash your legs and drink the water.
I don't want you to drink that water, first place. I don't want you to wash my legs. I wash my legs by myself. Secondly, I myself am accepting I'm not a good wife. I'm not a good wife. I know that. I'm not a wife material. I'm a girlfriend material. I wanted to be your girlfriend all your life. Wife is just to make this relationship legal. जायज रिश्ता बनाने के लिए हमने शादी की है, जोरू का कैरेक्टर निभाने के लिए नहीं. Okay guys, with this happy note, probably I'll end this video right here. And of course the delivery series and everything is gonna come up very soon. It's a process, guys. I will in those videos I'll be revealing baby Anvira and also his name very soon. So yeah,
and
stay
the
tuned.
person we met, she said she's working in Infosys.
Yes, of course, we met one of our viewers who works for Infosys, and it was so sweet of her that she walked up to us, and she's the first subscriber to see baby Anvira. She got to see baby Anvira at the passport office, and she recognized Anwar Jan, not me. She said she can recognize him even if he's wearing a mask, and that's how she came up to us and asked me if I'm Samira. I said yes. Then she said that she recognized Anwar Jan and she can recognize him even if he's wearing a mask, and yeah, I'm glad. So yes, so sweet of her. Thank you so much for walking up to us. And
thank you so much. Thank you.
Everybody, thank you so much for all your love, and please remember baby Anvira and everybody from our family in your prayers. And do subscribe to all our channels, Shanur Sana, Frolic Tabassum, Hyderabad Beauty, Daily Beast, Samira Sharif Vlogs Telugu, Samira Sharif Vlogs Tamil, and Samira Sharif, the main channel. We will see you guys soon in our next video. Until we'll see you next. Lots of love.